Hi everybody, welcome to the thegurizone. My name is Guri and today I'm gonna give you some pointers on how to Disneybound slash casual cosplay. I know the world is on fire right now, but jokes aside, we will get through this. I know it's really hard, to stay inside. It's hard to be alone if you live alone. It's hard to be with your family 24/7 if you live with your family or with roommates. It's hard. But we will get through this, and I hope that this video actually helps you, that when we get out, it inspires you to dress up and have fun. Okay, so let's start with what is a casual cosplay or Disneybound. They are putting together an outfit inspired by a character. I have notes, that's why I'm looking down. Character most of the time, but it could also be inspired by a roller coaster ride or a restaurant. You see this on a lot of Disneybounders Instagrams, where they not only dress up as characters, they also dress up as for example, the haunted house, or restaurants. I don't know what other restaurants there is, but it's dressing up inspired by something, either a character, a restaurant, or a ride. That's it. My first tip is to follow the color scheme. The color scheme of the character is what essentially identifies the character. So follow that color scheme. Also follow if they have one-of-a-kind symbol. For example, Batman's bat or Superman's as diamond. Those type of symbols are also very good in following the color scheme. In addition, don't only use clothes to follow the color scheme. You can also follow with things like makeup. For example, right now I'm dressed as Ian Lightfoot from Onward, and I'm following the color scheme using, well, the shirt, the clips, and my makeup. My makeup today is, I use as transition colors, I use the Profusion Velvet Mattes palette. On the lid, I use the Disney Villains Jelly Much eyeshadow in Just Your Voice. And on the inner corner, I use the NYX Professional Makeup Duochromatic Highlighter in Twilight Tint. These are good ways to follow the color scheme and to stay inside, well, that character. Second would be, if the character uses clothes or is a human, see what specific pieces the character is wearing, like jeans or pants, shirts, jackets, shoes, accessories. All those types of pieces, you can recreate them, and it's a good way to follow the structure of the character. Don't feel like you have to overbuy things. I know the point of casual cosplay or Disneybounding is to use normal clothes that you could reuse, but don't feel that you have to overspend because of the specifications of that character. You can always go with a general approach, or just buy general pieces that could serve you for other characters or in your daily life. Do not overspend if you don't want to. Do not feel this stress or this overwhelming sensation they have to overbuy. You can always go with a general approach. And third is, accessories are your biggest helper. For example, I don't have a lot of blue stuff, so I use hair clips. And on my last video, which is a quick Disneybound, I actually had a choker with blue beads, but I can't find it right now. But you understand the idea. Use accessories as a tool to follow the color scheme, and that's how you're going to structure your character. It's very easy. Fourth is, use your creativity. I know that sometimes you're just well, it's clothes, or sometimes you get stuck in this box, but use things. You can use things in an unconventional sort of way, and that can help you so much into building a character. So that's it, you guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, leave, press the like button, subscribe if you want to know more about casual cosplay or Disneybounding. Here are my Instagram and my TikTok, where I also post a lot of inspired outfits. And lastly, I hope you're doing well. Stay safe. I know these times are very overwhelming, but we can get through this, and keep looking forward. Just like the Robinsons movie said, keep looking forward and look for things that when we get out, you're excited about. Okay? So if you want to actually, because you can dress up and take a picture in your house, if you decide to do a casual cosplay or Disneybound, tag me in it. I want to see it and I want to talk to you. So lastly, like, a question would be, if you could dress up as any character, what character would that be? So you just left the gray zone. Bye.